What's poppin' YouTube world? Your boy Justin here again as always, the self-proclaimed Adobe One Kenobi, back with another YouTube tutorial. So if you couldn't tell from the title of this video, maybe take some reading lessons because it said free right there. But I'm going to be doing a free giveaway of some assets, some presets, and some LUTs that I've designed for Premiere Pro. So check the description for the download link there. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you exactly how I use them on a day-to-day basis, whether it's importing the preset into Premiere Pro or using the LUT to color your footage. Now, with that being said, let's jump right into it and roll that intro. Once you've downloaded all the assets from the link in the description, you'll notice you get two folders named LUTs and Presets. If you go ahead and open the LUTs folder, you'll notice there's 5 LUTs there. I'm going to show you how to import them onto your clip within Premiere Pro. And then if you click the Presets folder, you'll notice we have 3 different presets there. One of them being a film noise grain, which will just sort of add a bit of like a realistic film look to your footage. And the other 2 being just a letterboxing preset. One is a little bit thicker than the other. Letterboxing is just the black bars that you'll see on a lot of videos just to make it look more cinematic. So now we're gonna go ahead and jump into Premiere Pro. You'll notice this clip looks very amateurish, nothing too special about it. It's very flat. All right, so I'm gonna show you how to use the LUTs first. So go ahead and search for Lumetri Color in your effects panel and then drop it onto your adjustment layer or your clip. Go down to the Creative tab, click on the Look menu and go up to Browse. And then you're gonna want to locate the LUTs that I provided you with. And I'm just gonna click this first one here. And right away, you'll notice the color on the clip has gotten a lot better. I'm just gonna go through quickly and tweak these settings. If you want an in-depth video on how to color correct in Premiere Pro, I will link in the description of this video as well because I've already touched on this. All right, now that's looking pretty good. So the next thing we're gonna do is import our presets. So go down to your effects panel, right click on the presets folder, and then go down to import presets. Now you're going to want to locate the presets I provided you with and then import them into Premiere Pro one by one. Now you only have to import them once, and then every time from now on when you open up your Premiere Pro, they're gonna be sitting right there for you in the presets folder. So now you'll notice in the presets folder, all 3 of the imported presets are there. I'm gonna go ahead and first put the cinematic letterboxing wide on my adjustment layer, and you'll notice the thick black bars pop up, which gives that cinematic feel. Same with the regular letterboxing, just a little thinner. And finally, the film grain. It's kind of hard to see probably in this YouTube video, but I promise you, once you export high quality, you will notice that film grain look, which makes your footage look a lot more film-esque as opposed to digital. And now if I play it back, you will notice the immense difference between the original raw footage and the final edited footage. It's crazy to think how much of a difference you can make with the click of a few buttons. So this is why I really wanted to provide you guys with these assets, because it is a game changer if you're just starting out. And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Nothing too groundbreaking, but I did feel the need to give back to all my subscribers, all 250 some of you. I really appreciate it. The fame is kind of going to my head at this point, so things are getting a little crazy, but I did want to bless you all with this care package as it helped me a lot when I was first starting out, and it took my videos to that next level. And in turn, I was able to charge clients a lot more per video because the quality went through the roof with these simple adjustments. So with that being said, if you have any questions about the LUTs or presets, hit me in the comments below. I will get back to you right away. Please give the video a thumbs up and finally consider subscribing. I post every Thursday and sometimes more. So with that being said, I'll see you next time. Peace.